Introducing the funnest FUV ever, the Arcimoto. That's right, FUV stands for Fun Utility Vehicle, and it lives up to the name. Imagine zipping around town on pure electric power, recharging for just $3 to $4. That's cheaper than your morning latte and a whole lot more fun. Here's the catch. There are only a handful of used models left. A few pristine 2023 units are going for around 20 grand. But right now, you can still grab one of these rare gems for between $10,000 and $15,000. And once they're gone, prices are likely to double, if you can even find one. The best part? The guys at the Eugene, Oregon factory, along with their roving team of mechanics, are some of the most dedicated, down-to-earth people you'll ever meet. They're keeping these incredible machines on the road, and I really want to see them succeed. I've had my Arcimoto for a year now, and it's been non-stop fun. So much fun, in fact, that when I toured the factory and saw all the cool models lined up, I couldn't resist. I bought another one, the Arcimoto, the funnest FUV ever. Grab yours while you still can.